Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Google Tasks. We'll dive into their distinct features, helping you understand which tool best suits your productivity needs. Notion offers unparalleled flexibility for complex workflows, while Google Tasks excels in straightforward, quick task management. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of their strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make an informed decision for your personal or professional organization. Notion shines with its incredible versatility, acting as an all-in-one workspace. Imagine building a custom project tracker with multiple views or a comprehensive knowledge base for your team. Its database functionality allows for intricate relationships between data, offering a level of detail and organization that's hard to match. You can embed almost anything, from Google Docs to Figma files, making it a central hub for all your information. Google Tasks, on the other hand, champions simplicity and integration. It's perfect for those who need a straightforward way to manage daily tasks without any fuss. Its deep integration with Gmail and Calendar means you can turn an email into a task with just a couple of clicks, or see your tasks alongside your appointments. It's designed for speed and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for quick reminders and basic task lists. So, which one is better? If you're looking for a powerful, customizable workspace for intricate projects, extensive note-taking, and team collaboration, Notion is likely your champion. However, if you need a simple, fast, and deeply integrated task manager within the Google ecosystem for daily tasks, Google Tasks will serve you well. Consider your workflow and the level of complexity you require to make the best choice for your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.